top coast to coast, we roam the land. In our RV together we stand, exploring places, living the dream, sharing our lives is more than it seems. Let's find those spots that feel like home. Adventure awaits wherever we roam. Tighten up, stay sucker free. Life's a journey, come along with me. Adventure calls, let's see what's next. Join the family, show us your best. We're Byrd and Tasha, on this journey we ride, with cameras ready, capturing our pride. So many faces, stories untold, with every mountain treasures unfold. Drop a comment, tell us where to go. Your recommendations help us grow. Tighten up, stay sucker free. Let's make memories, you and me.
Alright, go ahead on and tighten up, guys. It is doggone sucker free DIY time. So I did a video probably last season, excuse that sun, about my doggone Dometic 300, which we working with right in there. It had this thing where, you know, it would leak inside the bowl and you would get this stinky smell and all that crap, and you had to take it apart and fix it, which I did in the video, and it worked for at least that season. That was either 1 or 2 seasons ago. So now at the Camping Connect we were at, which was a great event. Hope to see y'all there next year. More to follow. Just look at spring break time, April. Us in the Gravely Train will keep you informed on that situation. If you don't follow Gravely Train, get on over there. Scott LaRock and Rokia, aka Rocky, aka my big sister, that's a good follow. So get on over there and do it if you haven't. Gravely Train. So at the Camping Connect, freaking started to leak again, just in a different spot, like in the front, like it cracked, because those Dometic 300s are plastic. So you know what I'm saying, I don't know, blame it on me. I damn sure ain't gonna blame it on my old lady. So you can blame it on me, bigger guy, mid to upper 200s. I'm looking at something up here. What the hell going on? Mid to upper 200s, you know what I'm saying? Sitting on that baby, I might have cracked it. Or it could be just freaking the garbage Dometic 300. So what do? This time, Byrd, check this out. We're gonna upgrade. So we moving up to the 310. Okay. So this thing got some funny reviews too. Some of it, like, you know, we're gonna see. The reason why I didn't go to the 320 was because the 320 don't have a soft close top, which I thought was wild. So some of the upgrades before I put this thing in is, so there it is right there. So you got the whole porcelain bowl. You got, you know, you got the jets all the way around the bowl for flushing. The 300 just got the water that come out from the back right here. You know what I'm saying? We ain't never really had a problem with keeping the bowl clean, but this thing right here, you got water coming all the way out around the bowl. That's cool. And then my favorite thing is the soft close top. I can't believe I'm standing here watching this the whole time. And maybe it's closing a little bit slower because it got plastic on it or whatever, but instead of the mess just flapping down behind you, cool. So we're gonna put this baby in. It should have, well, I hope it has it. It should have a new floor seal. It should have the new lag bolts, the screws, nuts. Should have all that stuff to come with it. If it don't, that's gonna be doggone unfortunate, because that means I'm gonna have to wait to install it and order a kit. So I'm hoping that's in here. So let's get this thing unboxed and see. see no parts kit yet. Floor seal is in there. So yeah, it comes with everything you need to do it. And it's sitting on my solo stove right now. But yeah, it comes with everything you need to do it. New floor seal. You got all your hardware right there. You know what I'm saying? One thing though that I want you to know, it's not all porcelain. It has a porcelain bowl. It has a plastic base. So yeah, you got that porcelain bowl, but you got a plastic base. I don't know. Maybe I misread that. I thought the whole doggone thing would be porcelain, but I guess you can't have it that way. But we're gonna see. So it shouldn't take long, you know what I'm saying? Take the screws out the other one, clean up around there, and throw this baby in there. All right, gang. So just 2 bolts on the side and the water in the back. Never mind my dirty towel. This is my shop towel I use for like everything. So I'm gonna undo the freaking whatchamacallit in the back, and this thing's out of here. All right, we got her mocked up in here, just sitting in place. I think we're good. I think we're gonna be good. All right, guys, moment of truth. Moment of doggone truth. Got her in, water supply hooked up. I ain't gonna BS you. Turn the water pump on. It's gonna prime. Gonna check her right here. If we got water, we do. And now, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. We got something. Now, let's see if she'll hold water. That's the big thing. Got her in, got water going through it, checking for leaks. Now we're gonna come back in a minute and see if she'll hold water. All right, let's go back and check and see if it's holding water. Oh yeah, holding. So she in there, guys. 310 upgrade. Got the old 300 over there that I tried to fix one time, and it held up for about a season or so. And now I just decided to say screw it, and I'm going to get me the newer daddy. So it worked out pretty good. I'm excited about it. Haven't used it yet, of course, but we're excited about it. Porcelain. Now, one thing you need to understand, this thing ain't all porcelain. The bowl is porcelain. The bottom is still plastic down there. It also has the spouts that go all the way around the bowl instead of just on the back. And it has what I love, the soft closed doggone top. That thing takes a long time to go down. I don't know if I would ever wait that long for it to go down, but for video purposes, soft closed top for you right there. So that's what I love about it. So of course we haven't used it yet, but we don't expect it got no leaks. Filled it up and flushed it a couple times. It's holding water. We're all stable. So you know, just a little short video to keep the algorithm going. But we needed to get it done. So I'll just, you know, you try to hold on as long as you can. And I just got fed up with it at the Camping Connect. It started leaking from somewhere else. I was like, man, this is out of here. So But hey guys, this is Suckafree RV. It's your man Big Sarge. Tasha not with me right now. You know, she don't normally be out here when we be doing these DIYs, but she's still with us. Well, thank y'all for checking us out. Shout out to all the ones that came to the Camp and Connect. Look forward to seeing all of you and more next year. If you like stuff like this, Suckafree RV, like, share, subscribe. I always tell people just Google Suckafree RV. We're the only one out there. So all our stuff go pop up. You know, that's why we went with that name. We wanted to be original and didn't want to be somebody's adventure or daydream or some stuff like that. So Suckafree RV, do it for the culture. So, but thank you guys for checking us out. And this is your man Big Sarge. Until next time, y'all stay sucker free and stay tight.
Drop a comment, tell us where to go. Your recommendations help us grow. Tighten up, stay sucker free.